All right, guys, welcome to day 13. I am Capital Architect, and we are taking this portfolio to $10,000 per month in monthly average income. Today, we might hit $2,000 per month, and that would be a fifth of the way there. I want to thank all of you who have subscribed, because yesterday morning I woke up and we were at 83 subscribers. And right now, as I'm recording this, we have hit 120 subscribers, guys. We're on the road to 200 subscribers by the end of this week. So if you're watching, thank you so much if you are a subscriber. Like the video, let's pump this out, get more people watching the journey. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, watch the journey. I promise you, you will not be let down. The current portfolio is worth $140,000. I have $50,000 sitting in cash, and we're going to invest a couple $1,000s today. Bitcoin is down, so BTCI is down almost another 0.5% today. We are at 2,146 shares of that. The distribution yield today is 28%. So it's doing well. I did put $20,000 in SGov, which is basically treasury bonds. It's at 3.35%. So that will increase the monthly income a little bit, but that is basically sitting there, making some income until I need to invest it down the road. So let's add into BTCI today. I really want to hit $2,000 per month today, and I think it can happen. We're so close. So we're going to add $1,000 into BTCI. Okay, 32 shares of BTCI today is $993. I love buying on the red days. You guys know that. Crypto's in a bear market. I think Bitcoin could definitely see a new low this month. I think we could go into the low 50s. If that happens, BTCI will be like $25 probably per share, and I'm definitely going to be picking some more of that up. Okay, so let's go to, we're going to add some MLPI. That is the NEOS Energy Infrastructure High Income. Let's add $500 to that. So that's about 9 shares is $502. And guys, if there's any specific income funds that you really like, leave them in the comments below. I'm open to doing research. I have found for me personally, the NEOS funds are my favorite. I love how most of the distributions are categorized as return of capital. That is very tax efficient. I like how there is exposure to the underlying asset. So your principal can still go up as the asset goes up, and you're not going to experience NAV erosion because of the high distribution yields. But if there's other ones out there, leave them in the comments. I will do research and look them up. If I think they're a good fit for the portfolio, I will add some of them in. All right, we're gonna add some Russell 2000 high income ETF. Let's add $500 into that. So that'll be, we'll do 10 shares. That's $520. Place order, let's see what the NASDAQ's doing. So QQQI, it tracks the NASDAQ. It's an income fund. It's down a little bit today. It's gone up so much in the last 2 months. I'm gonna get 2 shares today. Since the NASDAQ has just skyrocketed over the last 2 months, I'm gonna DCA in, but a smaller amount. So we're gonna do 2 shares. That is $115. I'm okay spending another $2,887. I don't want this to go below 45K today. So let's see what else. Let's add into, we're gonna add into the international. We're gonna just add $100 into that. I'm not a huge international investor. I'm just adding a little bit here and there to get exposure, but the US markets over time have absolutely killed international stuff. If you look at the indexes, let's add into the gold high income ETF. We'll put $250 into that. So that is a little bit more. We'll do 5 shares. So that's $269. Let's do, I added Eli Lilly yesterday, just to get some exposure, 1 share, and it's up 1.26% today. Let's see, Palantir's down 3.16. Let's add another share of Palantir. I know this is not producing high income, but I just saw it and I had to buy it. It's down 4%. I gotta buy a share. It's 1 share, it's not a big deal. $146 per share, boom baby. We stacking, boys. We stacking assets. We growing this income. $2,000 per month is the goal today, which is the fifth of the way there. We'll check to see what it's at. If it's at 2,000, we might not invest the whole amount today, just because I do think the traditional markets are going to correct soon. I could be wrong. And if that happens, crypto is going to get absolutely destroyed. And I want to be able to capitalize on that correction. Or crash, whatever happens. Let's change this to day change and see what's down the most. Palantir, Ethereum ETF, We've got quite a bit of that. Silver. Let's add 2 more shares and get this to 2,180 shares. What more? 2 shares. It's only $100 or $62. All right. Let's see. All right. Let's see what the monthly income is. Because I just don't feel like I need to add more today. I feel good about those buys. Every day doesn't have to be a massive buy. You know, sometimes patience can be rewarded. A lot of times. Let's see what the new monthly income is. See if we're at $2,000 per month. Oh, it's so close. Guys, we're less than $5 away. We're going to hit it today. We're going to add a little more. All right, let's see. All right, we're going to add into... Let's add into the Russell 2000 again. I want to get this position up a little bit. Let's add... We'll add $500 into that. 10 shares. $521. This might put us there. Investment income. $198. All right. If that's how you want to be, I'll add more. You damn portfolio. Let's add 1 share into the Ethereum high income ETF. That'll get us there. Maybe 2 shares. We'll add $100. That should get us there. Market order. $85. 4 shares, $113. That'll get us there. It's going to happen. Let's see. This could be it, guys. This could be $2,000 per month. Holy shit, I hit it! $2,000 per month, guys. We're a fifth of the way there to $10,000 per month in monthly average income. We are not stopping. I want to thank every single one of you who have subscribed. We went from 83 subscribers yesterday. We're at 120 today. We're on the road to 200 subscribers by the end of the week. We just hit a fifth of the way there on the journey. We're at $2,025 in monthly average income, and we're at $24,000 estimated income for the year. I cannot thank you guys enough for being here, following the journey, supporting the channel. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, subscribe, follow the journey, get me jacked up. Let's freaking go, baby!